Hey guys, Todd with Great Escape Farms here. Today I'm going to give you a review on my vertical strawberry growing system here using rain gutters. So I put this together in the spring of 2020. Right now we're in the spring of 2021. I had very high hopes for this, just to demonstrate using vertical space and growing strawberries, and initially everything did just fine, but I ran into a number of challenges here. So I found that it dried out very quickly, so I ended up having to water this about every other day or every third day using the hose. So if I had to do this over again and I had to go vertical because I was tight on space, I would definitely set up some kind of a automatic watering system. And one of the other things I found is that the soil itself gets too hot, so it stresses the plants out, and it also gets too cold in the winter, so it stresses the plant out. And one of the ways it demonstrates how stressed out these are is they send out little shoots, and this is typical of strawberries, and some of them took off on the ground here. Now if you look at the size of these plants and the strawberries down there versus the little puny ones up here, you can see there's a big difference down here. And I have never watered these down here, maybe a little bit of overspray from up in the gutter system. But for my purposes, I would call this a fail, and I'm likely going to dismantle this. However, for some folks, this might be a great way if you are limited on space, and if you're willing to put in the water system to automatically water it and have it watered every day. This could definitely help you out. So I will post a how-to in probably a couple days to a week from now, so I will show you the rest. But for me, this is a fail. What I am doing right now, and I have another video which either was just posted or will be just posted back here, I'm going to put in a sweet potato and strawberry bed, and I'm going to transplant definitely the ones that are in the ground here looking good. Those are going to get transplanted out into this bed, as well as a couple that I bought, and probably some of the plants from up here as well. So I'm going to have a mix of several different types of strawberries in there, and then I already have sweet potatoes waiting to go in. So check out the video on how to make the bed over here. Like I say, I'll link to that in the show notes once it comes out. Check out in the next couple of days to a week the how-to on this if you're interested in how to put this together. And that's it for now. Thank you very much for tuning in, and have a great day.